up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today we're back at the G6. So I stepped up to the G6, and then I saw this sitting outside of it. So I walked up, and the front seat was out of it. So I went ahead and checked the car. I'm like, damn, someone did the job for me. The chair's still in there. And this is the driver's side seat. You can tell by the seatbelt. So, this actually came out of a four-door that just came in. Same seat. Same power. It has the little release, but of course it doesn't go forward, it just goes backward. So I'm wondering how hard is that to switch over to go reverse instead of just forward on these front seats, because I mean it's identical pretty much, minus that mechanism. And the only thing I see, they took off the motor still there. I haven't tried to test it or anything. They took this connector out, I don't know, maybe to test it, and it wasn't working. Yeah, see, this has the same wires too. Has that thick, I guess it's red and black. And then the black, the thick black at the bottom, which I would think would be the power. So I might test this seat and see if this works. But let me show you what it came out of. So if we walk down here, this thing, I don't think this thing popped up on my feed. It may have. Actually did. 06 Pontiac G6 GT, just like the other one, except this is a four-door. Someone took the back cushion. So I don't know if people just take the cushion so people don't take the rest of the seats, but it's the exact same material. They were lucky enough to get the actual front seat out. I don't know if they had to move it or what. I might try to take the pins out of this so I can test. Yeah, but the only thing they took was that little connector. And the only thing I need to take out is these two bolts. Is a T50 bolt. On mine I can't get to these, the one here and then the one over there. They go right here. And it just come out. But yeah, we're working on that today. Hopefully I can get this chair out today. Oh, there it is. Yeah, they took the back seats out, or the bottom cushion, and then took the front seat out and left it. And the only thing they took, like I said, was that that one wire that goes to the seat. The one right here. Or maybe that is the wire on the harness that I did see. Yeah, so I don't know why they left it. It's a nice seat. But this is what we're going for now, the Caprice or the Chevelle. Anyway, let me get to work. Try and get my seat out. I'll hit you back. Okay, so I started seeing the differences on this one. So you have this seatbelt bracket here. There's a certain name for that. This one also has the side airbags on it. The little release is the same. That little piece there is a little different. That's the lumbar support switch. It's manual. But everything else is the same, basically. All the controls. Okay guys, so this is what I did. The harness from the 4-door, I cut the harness off of it and plugged it into the seat here. And then I took the wires, those 2 wires, the red and black and then the black, to the right side here, which is positive, and left side there, that's negative. And this seat works. So hopefully I can just do the same thing to this car and that motor works. I'm trying to see if I can prop this anywhere for you guys to see it. So this is when I wish I had a cameraman, but I got my wires in there, so it works. So worst case scenario, I can just take the motor out here, put it in the other seat. But yep, that's all I did was take this harness off of here. I might just end up keeping this. Then plugged it into there. So hopefully this seat works with this harness. And just like that, good old Milwaukee worked out. I was trying it with my Ryobi batteries before, and then my jump pack, I don't know why they didn't work, but this M12 worked. So now I can see my bolts. Right there, my T50s. All it is 2 T50 bolts, Torx, and this thing's out. And we got us a full set of seats. Yeah, that was a bitch, man. I had the right wires, but I don't know, I just needed a different battery to travel with, I guess. Another power source. So I know I'll be using this for like sunroofs. Well, sunroofs might need a little more. Some roofs I can use this battery. But yeah, we Gucci, man. I'm gonna take these 2 out and take my seat home, man. Then I'll probably come back and look around the yard again. Alright guys, so we came and conquered. So let me show you the difference why I couldn't use that seat. One, this lever, you can't go forward. On the 2-door, you can fold it down. That's all the way forward. That's forward. So I mean, these are nice seats. I really like them. I may get more if I find another coupe. And then if you look at the sides, see how this one has an airbag on it, and this one doesn't. And then this little handle reclining. Where's up the lumbar? Yeah, this is lumbar. This is different than that one over there, but everything else is the same. You got your tilt back and forward. You got your heat. Yeah. Got your tilt controls, your heat controls. So me finding parts for these seats is gonna be pretty easy. And then this little seatbelt bracket. It's some type of sport feature, I forgot the name of this bracket. But everything else is identical. Same seat pattern. These are both GTs, by the way. Only difference is GTP is written here, kind of like pressed in to the leather. It says GTP right there. But yeah, I'm glad I finally got it out. I tried that battery thing for like, I want to say a good 2 hours last time I was here. I couldn't get it to work. So with me taking that harness from the other car and putting it on both seats to test it out, it worked out great. I think it's gonna look real nice in anything I put it in, especially old school, because I wanted that black leather, and I like the curves on the side, like, because it like sucks you in, hugs you on the seat if you're going fast, when you go fast. Yeah, I like it a lot. And these clean up real nice. You kind of see at the top how clean it's gonna look. I may have to touch up some of the parts that got like rubbed off. I have to like polish it or paint it. Get some vinyl paint. Vinyl leather paint, because I think these are leather. Yeah, that's leather. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna keep looking around. Obviously there's cars that are in that I don't know about. I might pick a pull. It's half off at U-Pull. I don't know if I'm gonna go there today or tomorrow. I might just go look at trucks. Some of those Me Too motors. This is your boy Cat. We have hit 4K watch hours. I'm still waiting for the approval to get monetized. I just need to select what day I'm gonna do the giveaway, because this weekend I'm on call, and next weekend is my wife's surgery plus her birthday that Sunday. So stay patient. I'll have 3 winners on my channel, my subscribers. Look out for the video. It's your boy Cat. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Share if you want. Peace.